Hi, Balloon Josh here with ClownAntics.com. Today, we're just going to briefly be going through all of the basic twists that you will need to know to make any balloon animal. So the first twist we're going to learn is the Tulip Twist. Now the Tulip Twist requires you to take the knot and you're going to push it inside the balloon. And then with your other hand, you're going to feel and grab the knot, pull your finger out, and then twist the balloon. So I'll show you very slowly. So we're going to take our finger, we place it on the knot, we push it into the balloon. So if you can see, my finger is inside the balloon. With my other hand, I'm going to squeeze, I feel my finger. I'm going to pull my finger out while holding on to the knot. So it gives us a nice little hole on the end. And then we twist the bubble, leaving the knot inside, and it'll stay hold like that. And there we have a tulip twist. Now the next twist we're going to do is a pinch twist. A pinch twist, you're going to make a bubble. So our bubble we're going to use, this is going to be a 1/2 inch pinch twist. So you have a small bubble. And the reason it's called a pinch twist is you fold it over, and when you make it, you're going to pinch and twist. And so there you have a little pinch twist. This is great for changing the direction of balloons, because instead of going straight, it's now going at a right angle. Next, we're going to do a lock twist. This is probably the easiest of all the twists. For this one, you have 3 bubbles. So you have 1, 2, and 3. And so to do a lock twist, what you're going to do is you have these 2 bubbles, and you're going to connect them at these 2 points. So you fold it over, you twist this part, and that's your standard lock twist. This is what you see basic for a basic dog. That's the lock twist, because it's 3 balloons, 3 bubbles, and they lock together. The next twist we're going to do is a loop twist. A loop twist is similar to a pinch twist, it's just bigger. Because where a pinch twist, we do this, and then we pinch the 2 sides of this bubble together. A loop twist, same thing. We're just making a longer bubble and then twisting these 2 sides together. So we're just looping it over, and then we twist it. And so you can see visually the difference between the lock twist, it's 2 separate bubbles, and the loop twist is just 1 bubble. So you have your loop twist. Now the final twist is the one that I've seen people have the most difficulty with. It's the split twist, because it's a twist on another twisted balloon. So what we're going to do is you're going to start with a pinch twist. So just like before, we have a pinch twist. Now where the tricky part comes is we're going to take this pinch twist and you do a split twist. Now the way that works is you're going to pull back on your thumb while pushing forward with your fingers. And essentially you're doing this motion, and you're going to roll this balloon, splitting it in half. Hence the split twist. And so you're going to do this. And a lot of people have difficulty doing this without it popping. But you split it, and then you get that. It's essentially 2 small pinch twists as opposed to just the 1. And those would be all of your basic twists. Thank you so much for watching with us today. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends and family. All of the materials used in today's video are listed down below. And as always, have a wonderful day. Look forward to seeing you again.